Hello, welcome to another step-by-step cubing video. Today I'm going to show you how you can solve the 2x2. Now, the first step in this will get you halfway completed to the cube. All you need to do is make the white face. To do this, you just need to make these be the same colour, so white, so I'll put a white piece here, but these also need to be the same colour. So you need to find a piece that has this colour, for this example it's white, and this colour, for this example it is red. So here I have a white and red piece, so I can move that and put it into here. I can insert it in like a 3x3. Now, here it's white and green. Here's the piece, so if I insert it out, like I would in a 3x3, I can put it back in. And I'll do this for this one, as this is the last white piece. Now, you've done half the cube already. It's very easy and very simple. But the next step is where you have to make one corner be in the correct place. So in this example, only one is in the correct place, so that's good. Now, if there are multiple that are already in the correct place, for example, if I put my cube like, if I put my cube like this, there are two in the correct place, but I only want one. So I'll move it back to here, where there's only one in the correct place. And then you do these moves. It's already an algorithm when you need to complete the 3x3, so you should recognise it. Now, you keep repeating this until your cube, until all these cubes on the top are in the correct place, and then you can do the simple 3x3 algorithm of this. Thank you for watching, and there will be more videos out soon.